Hi there, welcome. I am Lisa from Swanson Somatic Wellness, and I'm here today because I would love to teach you what box breathing is. So, box breathing is just one type of breath that is really good to calm the nervous system. It's sort of a formula or a recipe, so people find it really easy just to follow. In particular, my 13-year-old daughter, this is one of the breaths that she finds easiest to recall when she's needing a little bit of chill time or if she's feeling a little bit stressed. You can do it standing, sitting at your desk. No one has to know what you're doing. It's a really simple breath, and it's called box breathing because you do it in 4 steps, and each step is of equal length. So we're going to do 4 counts 4 times today, and that's the like 4 equal sides of a box. So that's why it's called box breathing. So it's helpful for some people to visualize a box while you're breathing. So it's going to be an inhale, a hold, an exhale, and a hold. And you're going to repeat that cycle for however many rounds you want to. Um, I'll say first that if 4 counts feels too long for you, especially for kiddos, if you're teaching someone younger this, you can definitely start with 3 count. Do the 4 steps, but just instead of holding it for 4, hold it for 3. And at the same time, if it's feeling too short for you, you can hold it for longer. So here we go. I'm going to turn on some music. I'm going to uh, teach you the box breath. Just go ahead and get settled in your seat. You should be able to hear the music and my voice. And I'm just going to invite you to take a breath in through your mouth for 4 counts. You're going to hold for 4 counts, exhale for 4 counts, and hold again for 4 counts. So just listen to my voice, follow along. You're going to inhale for 3, 2, 1. You're going to hold for 3, 2, 1. You're going to exhale for 3, 2, 1. And you're going to hold that exhale for 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 3, 2, 1. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 3, 2, 1. And you're going to hold again for 3, 2, 1. Couple more rounds. Inhale for 3, 2, 1. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 3, 2, 1. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Let's do one more round. Inhale for 3, 2, 1. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 3, 2, 1. And hold for 3, 2, 1. And you can go back to your regular breathing in and out through the nose. There, you did it. That's box breathing. I hope that was helpful for you. I hope you feel inspired to do this yourself, to teach your children. It's a very simple somatic technique that I love to teach. Thanks so much and have a great day. See you again soon.